Have you ever thought to yourself, maybe falling is just a part of getting older? A lot of people think that way. It's understandable, especially if you've seen friends or family members deal with a fall and the loss of confidence that follows. But what if I told you that this belief is a dangerous myth? What if falling isn't a guaranteed step in the aging process at all? In fact, with the right habits, a deeper awareness of your body, and a few simple changes, you can take back control and walk with renewed confidence. This isn't about grueling workouts or trying to turn back the clock. It's about understanding what really causes falls in seniors and making small, smart, sustainable changes that fit into your life. And we're going to empower you with that knowledge today. The silent shift. Is your walk putting you at risk? Most people don't even realize their gait or walking style has shifted over the years. These changes happen so gradually that they often go unnoticed until they cause a problem. So, let's take a quick private self-check. As I go through these common signs, answer them honestly in your mind. This is just for you. Do you find yourself shuffling or dragging your feet? This often happens due to reduced ankle dorsiflexion and weakened hip flexor muscles, making it hard to lift the foot properly. It's a leading cause of trips over rugs, uneven pavement, or even your own slippers. Do you keep your eyes fixed downward? Constantly watching your feet throws off your posture and your entire center of gravity. It also dangerously limits your ability to see upcoming obstacles, like a step down or a change in flooring. Are your steps short, quick, and stiff? This shuffling gait is often a fear-based response. Your body is trying to stay in control by minimizing movement, but it actually prevents you from using your natural balance mechanisms and makes you less stable. Do your arms stay pinned to your sides? A natural arm swing is a critical component of balance. It acts as a counterbalance to your leg movements, keeping your torso stable. When your arms don't swing, your body has to work much harder to stay balanced. Do you use walls or furniture for support? While it may feel safer in the moment, furniture walking is a clear sign that your balance and core strength need attention. Relying on objects that can slip or tip over is a significant hidden risk. Do you actively avoid uneven surfaces? If you find yourself turning down walks on gravel paths or feeling anxious on sloped sidewalks, it's a sign that your confidence is shrinking. This avoidance can lead to a smaller, more limited world. If you answered yes to 2 or more of these, your walking style is likely increasing your fall risk. And that is nothing to feel ashamed about. It is a signpost. The great news is that now you know. And once you have awareness, you have the power to change. The 5 simple fixes for a safer, stronger stride. Let's talk about what a healthy, stable walk really looks like. Not for a young athlete, but for a body that has carried you through a lifetime. Walking is a full-body process, and when all the parts work in harmony, you create stability. Here are the 5 simple fixes that can bring your balance back on track. Align your head. Imagine a string is gently pulling the very top of your head toward the ceiling. Keep your chin slightly tucked, not jutting forward. Your ears should be aligned directly over your shoulders. This simple act aligns your entire spine and centers your body's weight, making you instantly more stable. Relax your shoulders. Consciously let your shoulders drop down and away from your ears. Think about opening your chest. A tense, hunched upper body restricts your breathing and prevents your arms from moving naturally. Activate your arm swing. As you walk, allow your arms to swing gently and naturally from the shoulder, not the elbow. Your right arm should swing forward as your left leg steps forward, and vice versa. This is your body's built-in counterbalance system. Using it makes every step more efficient and stable. Master your footwork. A proper walking motion is a smooth, rolling action. Your heel should be the first part of your foot to touch the ground. Then, your weight should roll through the midfoot. And finally, you should push off with the ball of your foot and your toes. This heel-to-toe roll engages all the muscles in your legs and provides a stable base of support. Lift your gaze. Instead of looking down at your feet, focus your eyes 10 to 20 feet ahead of you. Your peripheral vision is excellent at detecting things on the ground. Looking ahead gives your brain better spatial awareness, helps you spot obstacles early, and naturally improves your posture. I know that consciously changing your walk can feel strange at first. That's completely normal. But with consistent practice, even just for 5 minutes a day, you can retrain your brain and body to move with a new sense of strength and control. Here are the 5 foundational exercises for better walking. Now that we know how to walk, let's build the foundational strength and balance to support that safer stride. These 5 simple exercises can be done at home. Please, only do what feels safe, and always have a sturdy chair or wall nearby for support. Single leg balance. Stand behind a sturdy chair, holding on with both hands. Slowly shift your weight to one leg and lift the other foot just an inch off the ground. Try to hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then switch legs. Do this 3 to 4 times on each side. Heel to toe walk. Find a clear space like a hallway. Walk in a straight line, placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other, as if you're on a balance beam. Take 10 to 15 slow, deliberate steps, seated marches. Sit tall in a sturdy chair, away from the backrest. Engage your core muscles and slowly lift one knee up towards your chest, as high as is comfortable. Lower it with control, and then lift the other knee. Aim for 15 to 20 reps per leg. Heel and toe raises. Stand tall behind a chair, holding on for support. Slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels. Hold for a moment, feeling the engagement in your calf muscles. Then slowly lower your heels and lift your toes off the ground, rocking back on your heels. Repeat this cycle 10-15 times. Mindful walk. Simply walk back and forth in a clear space, but do it with total awareness. Focus on each of the 5 fixes. Head up, shoulders relaxed, arms swinging, heel to toe foot roll, gaze forward. Do this for just 2 or 3 minutes. You don't need to do all 5 at once. The key is consistency. A few minutes each day is far more effective than one long session per week. The surprising benefits: less pain, more energy. You might not expect this, but by making these simple walking adjustments and doing these gentle exercises, you may actually start to feel less pain in your joints and more energy throughout your day. A lot of the knee, hip, and lower back pain that seniors experience doesn't come from a major injury. It comes from years of improper movement patterns. When your posture is off or your muscles are weak, your joints are forced to take on extra stress and strain. But when you begin walking with proper alignment, head up, shoulders relaxed, core engaged, your body weight is distributed evenly. This takes immense pressure off your knees and hips. Over time, many people find they can walk longer and stand straighter without the same old aches. You might also find yourself feeling less tired. When your body moves efficiently, you don't waste precious energy just trying to stay upright or overcompensating for poor balance. Your muscles are doing the work they were designed to do. This efficient movement also improves your circulation and your breathing, which adds up to better stamina and more energy to enjoy the things you love, whether that's gardening or simply getting through a trip to the grocery store without feeling exhausted. Learning to walk better doesn't just prevent falls. It gives you back your comfort, your freedom, and your energy. The secret ingredient: your breath and mindset. We've now come to something most people don't talk about, but it may be the most powerful part of this entire process: your breathing and your mindset. When you're tense or worried about falling, your body clenches. Your breathing becomes shallow, your shoulders hunch, and your steps turn stiff and cautious. That tension quietly sabotages your balance. But when you take a moment to breathe slowly and deeply, something amazing happens. Your parasympathetic nervous system is activated, sending a signal of calm and safe throughout your body. Your muscles relax, your shoulders lower, and your movements become smoother and more natural. Here is a simple practice. Before you start to walk, even if it's just from the living room to the kitchen, stand still. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. Inhale gently through your nose, letting your belly expand. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth, consciously releasing any tightness in your neck and shoulders. To make this even stronger, add a short mental affirmation. As you walk, say to yourself, "I am steady. I am strong. I am safe." These words are not just wishful thinking. They are instructions to your brain. When your mind believes you are in charge, your body follows. This is the fear of falling cycle in reverse. Instead of fear leading to inactivity and weakness, confidence leads to more movement and greater strength. When you combine good walking habits, simple exercises, and this secret ingredient of calm breathing, you create a powerful synergy, a life where you can walk freely, safely, and proudly. You are not stuck. You can move forward, literally and emotionally. You can feel steady again. You can be proud of every single step you take. So if there's one message I hope you take from this today, it's this. You are not stuck. You can move forward, literally and emotionally. You can feel steady again. You can feel proud of every single step you take. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing from today's video that you are ready to try this week? Is it the heel-to-toe walk, or perhaps just focusing on your breathing before you leave a room? Share it in the comments below. Your words might just be the encouragement someone else needs to take their first step too. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more practical health advice, and share it with someone you care about. Together, let's keep walking strong, one confident step at a time.